don't like this machine anymore. It's being greedy. Ah! I'm crying now.
Okay, don't worry. I had a gold coin somewhere. Oh, yeah, here it is. Here you go. Now you can buy gum.
Thank you. Wait. It's too big. Come on. Oh, I broke the handle. Well, that's it. You got on me. Give me my gum immediately. Huh. Yeah, I should have started with that. Hooray! Fly in. Yum. Cool. I'm absolutely thrilled.
Thank you. I just admit that gum is also very tasty. We should eat it more often.
It's cool.